Texas is suing a midwife for providing abortions, which violates the state's total abortion ban. And today, the court heard the midwife's appeal. For context, Texas has one of the strictest laws in the country where abortions are banned with no exception for rape, incest, or health of the baby. The only exception is when the mother faces life-threatening emergencies. CBS News reporter Karen Hua joins us outside the courthouse in Houston.
This case is so monumental because Maria Rojas is the first person to be prosecuted under Texas's total abortion ban, which means she's also one of the first people in the entire country to be prosecuted after Roe v. Wade was overturned almost 4 years ago. Now, last year, Attorney General Ken Paxton of Texas, he filed a civil lawsuit against Rojas and 3 clinics she worked at, accusing her of providing abortions and also for practicing medicine without a license. She could face life in prison for these charges. Now, the Center for Reproductive Rights, which represents Rojas in this case, says there's no evidence Rojas ever provided any abortions, saying her clinics were for general maternal health care, which includes delivering babies largely for these low-income, Spanish-speaking, uninsured folks in the greater Houston area. Listen to what her attorney had to say.
Texas is the tip of the spear, and often these anti-abortion extreme circumstances get exported to other states. I certainly hope that that doesn't happen here, and I hope that the courts really block that from happening within Texas.
Now, even if Rojas is granted her appeal, that does not give her back her midwifery license, and it also doesn't allow her clinics to reopen because there's also a criminal trial on top of this civil trial, which could take years. And now Rojas has to wear an ankle monitor until that trial, which doesn't have a date set yet. Her attorney says Rojas's case has big implications nationwide for all healthcare providers, many of whom are now afraid of providing any sort of abortion care, even if it is in the case of emergencies. Her attorneys say that ultimately this is part of Attorney General Paxton and Texas's case to end abortion access everywhere across the U.S. Back to you.